Shaq Talk Stocks, we back another day, another video. Alright guys, now this one going out there to all my gamers today. Now I'm gonna show you how you can make some money this holiday season playing one of the hottest games that's coming out right now. If you're a gamer like I'm a gamer, you know for the last, since 2010, since the first one came out, this series has been an absolute smash. We always excited around November because they always drop in November, and that's we all getting ready for Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. This is like right now I'm playing Modern Warfare 2. What is it? No, Modern Warfare. I'm playing Modern Warfare right now, Warzone and all that. But I'm gonna show you, all the gamers who stumble across this, how you can not only make some money off after you pay that $60 for the game, or $59.99, try to make it look better. But I'm gonna show you how you can make some money in the long term from buying Call of Duty on the back end. Alright, so let's get right into it. Now if you don't know, Call of Duty is, this game is gonna be made, I think Treyarch is making this one. Don't quote me if I'm wrong, check it out. But I do know who's publishing the game. See, you always also want to watch who's publishing the game. That's the main thing. And the publishers of this game, just like I think every other Black Ops and Fortnite, is Activision. Now, let's take a look at the Activision stock. Alright, you already know the drill at this point. We going straight to the article, right? So it says video game publisher Activision, ticker symbol ATVI, appears to have another hit on its hand with the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. It's the latest in the franchise's lucrative first shooter game series. Activision stock received a price target hike on Thursday. It's coming, man. This game coming in November. It's less than a month away, so it's already having a price hike already. It's already talks right now. So as they took a survey, a consumer survey, investment bank Jefferies surveyed 600 US gamers to gauge their interest in the fall content slate. The survey resulted with more positive for Activision, and Guillermo retired his buying rating on Activision stock and upped the price from $105 to $102. Right now the stock is at $79, so we already looking at $100 and some dollars, a $30 difference by the time November hits. So if you get in now, I think it's actually on the slope right now. It's like $79 right now. So I would get in right now if you're a gamer, because you're gonna buy the game anyway. So it's like getting money on both ends. You're gonna be spending money, but you're gonna be getting money on the back end also. You understand? You're not just gonna be playing for free. Like after a certain age, I don't think you should do anything for free. You shouldn't even play video games for free. If you get in on the stock, it'll make you feel, well, in my mind, less bad about just playing the game. You know what I mean? Like, you older now, you just not making no money. Nah, you gotta make some money while you still having fun, bro. It's all about having fun, but also making money too. So on the stock market today, Activision stock fell 1% to $78.77 during an overall stock down. Now a couple stocks actually fell today. I think Roku fell and Netflix. So it's like a whole tech fall right now with the stocks. But this title, all the gamers out there that's gonna come across this, you already know, when Call of Duty drop, everything stops. Like, people stop talking to their wives, people stop going to the grocery, people stop taking showers. We on Call of Duty multiplayer. Latest in the Call of Duty gaming out space last year, our survey showed an increased appetite for this. Oh, not to mention coronavirus here, ain't nothing to do. Oh, this is about to be crazy. Everybody buying this. But anyway, our survey showed an increased appetite for this year's Call of Duty. 39% of respondents plan to purchase the game versus 36% the same time last year. So it's up 3%. Just off people being bored and being in the house. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's why you need to get in on this. Activision released a new game in the series every year. Like I said, every November we get ready. Last year's title, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, which sold like, man, that sold like good gold. Activision plans to release Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War on November 13th. So 113, we coming. He also notes Activision game Tony Hawk Pro Skater 1 and 2 appears to be a hit. So all the skaters, I didn't even know that. See? I didn't even know. So it's more than one game driving the stock this November. Get in, man. This is the fall stock. This is going to be the winter stock. All the parents out there that's going to buy this for their kids, get in. You're going to be getting money back on the back end. Meanwhile, gamers' interest in sports title, Madden NFL 21 and FIFA 21 from Electric Arts EA and NBA 2K21 from Take-Two Interface Software, TTWO, is slightly down. So, man, they ain't even competing. Hey, I ain't trying to hate on the 2K players, but everybody about to be playing Call of Duty. That's just what it is. That's just the biggest game. That's just what it is. Everybody know that. Since 2010, we've been freaking on that. You know what I mean? So Activision Stock called top pick in its group. Guillermo's rated EA stock and 2 stock are a hold. Meanwhile, he calls Activision a top pick. Get on the ball, man. We continue to view ATV Activision as the cleanest story in the group, given its outsized mobile exposure, 100% owned IP, intellectual property, that's what IP means, visibility into the future content slate, and MA, mergers and acquisitions. So they buying stuff. They buying and letting people buy into the company, acquisitions. That's why it's the most active stock. The survey also showed that the increase in time spent playing video games because of the coronavirus, like I always say, I don't even read the article. I don't even read the article, but I know where they going. Because look, everybody in the house, ain't nobody buying clothes. Everybody trying to play video games. You get off of work, you play a video game, or you watch Netflix. That's why it's the perfect time to buy entertainment tech stocks. That's what I'm doing because I already know where this is going. That's one thing that's never gonna go out of style. The world could be ending tomorrow. Somebody gonna be playing Call of Duty. And the kids, you always want to, wherever the kids go, you want to follow. The kids are the money. Over the past 7 weeks, Activision stock has formed a flat base with a buying point of $87 and $83. Lower than that right now. So get in, right, man. I'm getting in, man. I don't know about y'all. I'm getting in. I'm gonna show you the Activision graph. Boom. Look at that. That's the max since the stock ever started. Up in the air. Like I say, people buying video games, bro, and it pays a dividend. It pays a dividend of 0.52%. So you're getting dividends just for holding the stock. Quarterly, you're getting a dividend. Well, I already told you what my mind is at. I want to know what you guys are doing. Hit down below. Let me know if you're going to be purchasing Call of Duty this fall. Let me know if you're going to be on the game. I'll get on my gamer tag. We can multiplayer. It don't matter. But I definitely will be buying this stock. So check this stock out. Even if you're not going to buy it, pass the news on. Shaq Talk Stocks. We almost at 300 subs. Click that subscribe button. Share with your family, your friends. Let everybody know about this information. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.